Hi, I'm Maria of Pink Pony Design, and today I wanted to talk to you about the importance of setting your seams or pressing your quilt blocks correctly. The reason I'm bringing this up is because I posted a photo on Instagram of one of my quilt blocks, and as you can see, it is very flat. And I got many questions asking me how I get my blocks this flat. And the secret normally would be that I use a lot of spray starch, which I can't do in this quilt and many other quilts because it's for a baby, and when it's for a baby you don't want to spray a lot of toxic chemicals into the fabric. And then the importance of pressing your block correctly is even more so. The difference between these two blocks is in this block I have actually set my seams, in this one not. And as you can see, this one has quite a few little, call them wobbles or little waves here in the seam. You can see it's not super obvious because luckily my pressure foot pressure was correct, but depending on your pressure foot pressure otherwise it can actually get quite wavy if you don't set your seams. As you can see here, this is my sewn block, and you can see it is actually quite a few waves which are caused by the pressure from the pressure foot. Since I'm not using a dual feed foot for this, the pressure from the foot will press your fabric a bit and cause these little waves. So now before I start pressing this, I will put it down flat on my ironing board in the exact same position it was when I was sewing it. So I don't unfold it, I leave it flat, I take my iron and I press it to set my seams. Basically, this is to get rid of the little wobbles and wiggles. And here you can see it's perfectly flat. Now I unfold it and press my seams open. I normally don't press my seams open, but again, since this is a baby quilt, I want it super flat and not with any bits and pieces feeling hard, so that's why I'm pressing the seams open for this one. And press. I do actually iron a little bit, which you might not want to do if you are a beginner, as you might stretch your fabric. But I find that I personally get the best results when I actually move my iron a bit. Any old school quilters would tell you to lift the iron properly, not actually drag it along your fabric. But since I know to lift my iron slightly before I move it, I don't distort or stretch my fabrics. And there you have it. Another perfectly smooth quilt block, thanks to setting your seams. Thank you for your time.